Hi, I'm Anesa, one of the co-founders of Eat the Plate, and I am here today to talk to you about introducing new food. So this is actually one of the biggest questions I get. We have parents that are getting this plate and they're like, okay, what do I do from here? So I am going to talk to you today about where do you start? So I always tell my parents that get these plates to say, okay, when you get it, start small. We don't want to overwhelm our little ones, especially when they're trying to introduce a new food. And so when I say, okay, put a neutral food in first, I'm talking about a food that you know 100% of the time they're going to eat. So in this plate, I have a cracker. Because a lot of times kiddos are like, oh, I'll eat a Ritz cracker, no big deal. And so it's a cracker, it's a neutral food. It's one that you are not going to have any problems getting your little one to eat. Now for your little one, it might be a pretzel, it might be something else, whatever is neutral to your little one. So you're gonna have, put that in, you're gonna spin it, you're gonna go to another neutral food. You're building up that momentum until they get to the non-preferred food. Now this is a food that is new to your little one. As you can see in this plate, it's a very small bite of broccoli. This is the new food. Start small. You don't wanna overwhelm your little one right off the bat with a brand new food. It's going to be tiny and that's okay. You're creating a new behavior here. You're creating a new bite. So start small, and then you're going to reinforce with the reward. This is something they're really motivated for. It could be anything. It could be whatever your child is really reinforced for. So in this plate, we have a gummy bear. My daughter loves pickles. Sometimes we reinforce this new food with a pickle. So whatever your little one really wants to eat. And then you're gonna continue on. So that is how you introduce new foods using Eat the Plate. For more tips and tricks, watch our other tutorials on eattheplate.com and make sure you like and share. Thank you.